Come to the top of the mat. Find your space comfortable enough with your neighbor. So if you feel only one side, so make sure it's comfortable, okay?
Are you comfortable?
Are you okay? Yeah. Okay. Aku mesti ikutan nih. Move your body weight towards the right side. Right foot. As you inhale, left knee up, left thigh parallel to the ground, and step your left foot back. Turn towards your left side. Readjust the position of your feet. Maybe pivot your toes slightly out. Bring the hands to the side of the body. As you inhale, bring the arms up, gaze up. Exhale, open your arms parallel to the ground, pivot your right foot out. Inhale, lengthen the spine, reach towards your right side, windmill both arms into Trikonasana. Right hand to the knee, to the chin. Open your left arm, lift the chest up. Feel the twist on your spine there. Lower your left hand down. Pivot your back foot in. Square your hips towards the front leg, bring your forehead towards your chin. Inhale, halfway lift, look forward. Turn around again, facing towards your left side. Pivot your right foot in. Readjust the position of your feet again. Inhale, look forward, halfway lift. Exhale, slowly lower your forehead towards the ground, towards your mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Walk your hands one step forward, not too far, not too close. Long enough to stretch your arms. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, lift the chest up. Now we're going to start learning to jump here. Keep your palms on the ground. Bend your knees, lift your heels up. As you lift your heels up, slightly jump forward and lower down. Keep your feet open first. Okay? So now, what we're going to do, when you jump, you're going to jump towards your right side. Yeah? Inhale, lift the chest up. Bend your knees, and when you jump, kick your left leg out towards the right. Open your right arm. Right hand down. Slide in your left leg. Jump out. Right leg out, left arm up. Slide your right leg in, left hand down. Jump. Kick your left leg out. Drop your right hand down. Drop your left foot down. Come into reverse tabletop here. Fingers facing forward or fingers facing side. Make sure you feel comfortable. Outer rotate your shoulder. Lift the chest up. Exhale, slightly lower your buttocks down. Move your left hand slightly towards the center. Bring your right hand down. Downward facing dog, facing towards the other side. Take 3 full breaths here. As you inhale, lift the right leg up. No, bere belum. Wait. Lower your right leg down. Right leg down. Now we're going to jump on the bare side. So from here, from Adho Mukha Svanasana, bring your feet closer together. You're just going to jump a little bit, move. When you're landing, land on the left side. Bend the knees, land on the right side, bend the knees. We're going to break this one down first. Jump on the right side, bend the knees. Jump on the left side, bend the knees. Come back to the center, into Adho Mukha Svanasana. This time we're going to incorporate the arms. So when you jump to the left side, open your right arm up. Open your chest. Go ahead, give it a try. Exhale, jump to the left, open your right arm, open your chest. Do it a couple more times. Once you feel enough, come back into Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog, step back. Extend your arms. Take another 2 full breaths. Next, inhale, right leg up. Exhale, step your right foot in between your hands. Turn around towards the right side. Bring the hands to the center. Hah? Kok mereka beda? Iya. Iya, depan-depannya beda. Okay, turn around facing towards your front side. No, 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 no. Right leg forward kan? Tadi right leg in the front. Okay. Again, bring your right leg, right foot in between your hands first. Okay? Inhale, halfway lift. Walk your hands towards the left side. Pivot your right foot in. Inhale, halfway lift, look forward. Exhale, fall back. Bend the knees. Full inhale, circle your arms up, come up into standing. Exhale, open your arms parallel to the ground. Pivot your left foot out, reach towards the left side, windmill both hands into Trikonasana. Left hand on the shin maybe, open your right arm, having a gentle twist here on your spine. Exhale, bring the right hand down. Pivot your back foot in, square your hips, inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, bring the forehead towards your shin. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, pivot your left foot in. Turn around again, facing towards the side. Elephant here, inhale, halfway. Exhale, forehead towards the shin, towards the ground. Inhale, halfway lift. Step your hands one step forward, not too far, not too close. So you have nice long arms here. Exhale, lean forward, bend forward, forehead towards the ground. One more time, keep your arms strong here. Open your shoulder. Inhale, look forward. Now we're gonna do the mongoose again. When we jump this time, we're gonna jump towards the left side. Kick your right leg out towards the left, okay? Bend the knees, lift the heels up, jump and kick your right leg out towards the left. Open your left arm. Left hand down, jump again towards the other side. Open your right arm, left leg out. One more time. Open. Lower your left palm down. Lower your left palm down. Right foot down into reverse tabletop here. Readjust the position of your hands. Outer rotate your shoulder. Lift the chest up, knees forward. Exhale. Slightly lower your hips down, your buttocks down. Move your left hand to the center. Right hand down. Back into Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. When you come back into downward facing dog, bring your feet closer together. We're going to do the bear. If you remember, bend your knees. When you jump, drop the feet on the outer side, on the right side. Open your right arm. Right hand down and jump. Drop the feet on the left side. Open your left arm. Left hand down. Jump the feet towards the right side. Open your right arm down. Come back to the center. Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. Take 3 full breaths here. Full breath in. Slow, long breath out. Next inhale, lift the left leg up. And step your left foot in between your hands. Turn around, facing towards your front side. Readjust the position of your feet. Bring the hands to the hips. Micro bend your knees. Swing the arms overhead as you inhale. Straighten your legs. Palms facing down. Exhale, lower your palms down to the front side of your navel. Stay there. Take another 3 breaths here. Restore your energy in your Tantian area. Shoulder relax. Full exhalation. Open your eyes. Release your arms down to the side of your body. Pivot your left foot out. Bend your left knee. Step forward. Come back to the top of your mat.